Hi, I am Shailendra Singh, founder of SMART ITBOX. My journey into technology and entrepreneurship wasn't planned overnight. It was built through experience, struggle, and continuous learning. Over the 10 years of experience, I worked closely with business across different industries, and I noticed one common problem everywhere: manual processes, scattered data, and inefficient systems. Even technology was available. That realization pushed me to start SMART ITBOX. I began as a solo founder, working completely on my own for 5 years, handling site visits, requirement analytics, coding, testing, client communication, and final delivery. From day one, site visit is our core USP because we believe no software can solve real business problem without understanding how work actually happens on the floor. That's why we first designed systems on Google Sheet by the help of Google App Script. We designed systems like a FMS, IMS, PMS, delegation system, checklist, and many more things which relate to the business. So client can clearly see their workflow, share inputs, and validate logic before moving to full-scale implementation. Today, SMART ITBOX is a team of 12 professionals serving 200 clients pan India. At SMART ITBOX, we don't just write a code. We solve real business problems with smart technology or the smart guidance. And this journey has just begun.